Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Smart Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are on the topic logarithm. In the previous video, we considered one of the laws of logarithm. In this video, we are going to consider another law of logarithm. So let's look at the second law, law 2. Law 2 says that if we have log x base a and is added to log y base a, then you are going to have log x times y base a. So if you have logarithm of a number to a given base plus logarithm of another number to the same base, remember before you can do this, the bases must be the same. So the base of this logarithm here is a, the base of this logarithm here is a. When that happens, the law says that multiply the logarithm numbers. So log xy base a. This means that if you have log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3, because the bases are the same, you write log base 3, then you multiply the numbers. So 2 times 5. So this is going to give us log 2 times 5 base 3, which is log 10 base 3. If you have log 2 base 4 plus log 6 base 4, because the logarithm numbers are the same, because the logarithm bases are the same, log 4 log to the base 4 log to the base 4 is going to be log, then you multiply the logarithm number. So 2 times 6, then the base 4. So you have log 2 times 6 base 4, which will give us log 12 base 4, because 2 times 6 is 12. In the same way, if you have log 3 plus log 4, remember log 3 is the same as log 3 base 10. Log 4 is the same as log 4 base 10. Because the bases are the same, you are going to have log 3 times 4, which is the same as log 3 times 4 base 10. And this will give us log 12, which is also the same as log 12 base 10. So anytime that the base is not written, it means that the logarithm is in base 10. Let's use this law to solve some questions. Evaluate the following. So the first one is log 4 plus log 6. So this is going to give us log 4 times 6. And 4 times 6 is 24. So we have log 24. The second one is log 2 base 4 plus log 8 base 4. So this is going to give us log 2 times 8 base 4, which will give us log 16 base 4. We can express 16 in index form such that it has a base of 4. And this is going to give us log 4 squared, because 4 squared will give us 16. So log 4 squared to the base 4. From the first law that we considered, log 4 to the power 2 to the base 4, or log 4 squared base 4, can be written as 2 log 4 base 4. We know from the properties of logarithm that log 4 base 4 is 1. So this is going to give us 2 times 1, which is 2. We did not go further here because we couldn't simplify any further. But when you get here, you can see that 16 can be written as 4 squared. And if you write 16 as 4 squared, you have log 4 squared base 4, which can also be written as 2 log 4 base 4. And we can simplify that further to get our answer 2. So you always leave your answer in the simplest form. Okay, let's consider the last question. We have half log 9 plus 1. Half log 9 plus 1. Now we learned from the first law that if you have log 9 exponent half, it can be written as half log 9. It can be written as half log 9. That means that if you have half log 9, it can also be written as log 9 exponent half. I hope that is clear. If you have log 9 exponent half, it can be written as half log 9. That means that if you have half log 9, it can also be written as log 9 exponent half. Okay, we know that log 10 is the same as 1. So if you multiply 1 by 1, you are going to get 1. Now to help us simplify this, we are going to multiply this 1 here by log 10. When you do that, you haven't changed the expression because log 10 is 1. If you multiply 1 by 1, you are still going to get 1. Okay, so here we are going to write half log 9 as log 9 exponent half, plus you multiply this 1 here by log 10. As I said, log 10 is 1. So if you multiply 1 by 1, you haven't changed anything. We can express 9 in index form. When you express 9 in index form, you are going to have 3 squared, because 3 squared will give us 9. So you have log 3 squared times, you already have this exponent here, so half, plus 1 times log 10 will give us log 10, which is the same as 1. Okay, so when you do this, you see that 2 and 2 will cancel. So this 2 here, 2 here will cancel 2 here, so you have 1, 1. Okay, and this is going to give us, we've cancelled everything here, so you have 1 times 1, which is 1, divided by 1, which is also 1. So 3 exponent 1 will give us 3. So you are going to have log 3 plus log 10. Okay, so we have log 3 plus log 10. We just learned that to simplify this, since they have the same base, log 10, log 10, you write one of them, so log to the base 10 or log into brackets, then we multiply the logarithm numbers since they are adding. So 3 times 10, which will give us log 30. So you see that to simplify this, we multiplied this 1 here by 10, because we multiplied this 1 here by log 10, because log 10 to the base 10 is 1. Then we had half log 9, and we wrote that as log 9 exponent half, which is the same thing. Then we use the law that we've just studied to simplify it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to consider the third law of logarithm. Bye bye.